Healthy Eating During Ramadan. Introduction. No one category of food can give you all of the nutrients you need to be healthy. Select true or false. Correct. A healthy diet includes food from all of the food groups. Eating a variety of foods can help you stay healthy during Ramadan. Which one of the following sources of carbohydrates is slow digesting? Choose one of the following options. 1. Brown rice. 2. White rice. 3. White wheat. Correct. Slow digesting food lasts up to 8 hours while fast digesting food lasts only 3 to 4 hours. Slow digesting foods are called complex carbohydrates. Which of the following is a good source of fiber and vitamins? Choose one of the following options. 1. Candy. 2. Dried fruit. 3. Fried food. Correct. Dried fruit has fiber and vitamins. It is a good choice for breaking the fast. Beans are a good source of which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Fiber. 2. Minerals and vitamins. 3. Protein. 4. All of the above. Correct. If you get sick during the fast, it is okay to break the fast. Select true or false. Correct. It is okay to break your fast earlier in the day if you feel that you are getting sick. Such days can be made up later in the year. Thank you for using Explain.